What's going on, Island Hoppers? Today we're coming to you from the Pyramids of the Sun and Moon in Teotihuacan, Mexico. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is located an hour and a half east of Mexico City. The name Pyramid of the Sun comes from the Aztecs, who visited the city of Teotihuacan centuries after it was abandoned by the original builders. The name given to the pyramid by the Teotihuacanos is unknown. At 233 feet, this is the third tallest pyramid in the world. After hiking to the top of the Pyramid of the Sun, you walk through the Avenue of the Dead in between the Pyramid of the Moon and the Ciudadela. After visiting the pyramids of Teotihuacan, you can head over to the Mexican restaurant in a cave called La Grutas and enjoy some authentic Mexican food. If you enjoy videos like this, do subscribe to Island Hopper TV. Check us out on Instagram. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this virtual tour from Teotihuacan.
How you say mide? Missions? Missions? Missions?
Pyramid? Pyramid?
Yes.
Buenos días.
Bienvenidos. De este lado, por favor.
Thank you for watching this episode from Island Hopper TV. Please do like the video if you enjoy videos like this, and we'll see you next time.